The political chaos that surrounded the Republican nominating process, with 13 candidates competing, has now whittled down to 3 and a very simple question of mathematics. You need 1,237 delegates to be the Republican nominee. And Trump has just shy of 700, and Cruz has 411. Cruz will probably pick up a few more in Missouri that is yet to allocate its vote because of the closeness of the primary, but Trump will pick up a bunch too. The primaries that are coming up on Tuesday are Arizona with 56 delegates, winner take all, and Utah with 40 delegates. Cruz will probably win Utah, and Trump will probably win Arizona, putting him even closer to the nomination. The problem is that in all of these states, Arizona next week, Illinois this week, and last week Michigan, this same pattern is repeating itself. Trump always gets 35 to 40% of the vote, a bare plurality, and Cruz and Kasich divide the vote between them, the remaining vote. In Michigan, they got 25% each, and in Illinois, Trump got 40, Cruz got 30, and Kasich got 20. And the same thing is probably going to happen in Arizona this coming Tuesday. And with that, Trump, with a plurality in each of these states, and it is very impressive, his ability to win that consistently, will get the vast bulk, if not all, of the delegates. And the math will become inexorable, dictating a Trump nomination, unless Kasich and Rubio endorse Cruz. The rules of the Republican convention are that once a candidate gets a delegate in a primary, he can release that delegate, and the delegate can vote for whoever he wants, and is no longer legally bound to support the guy who he supported when he was elected. So all of Rubio's 143 votes could go to Cruz, but that wouldn't help him much. He needs Kasich's 169 votes. Those would bring him at about parity with Trump. And then he needs Kasich to get out of the race, so it's a two-way fight. And obviously a major element there might be that Cruz might choose to offer Kasich the vice presidency. Cruz wouldn't like to do that offer because a lot of his constituents are real conservatives who would be offended by putting a pro-amnesty person on the ticket. And a lot of Kasich's supporters would also be disappointed for his hanging out with Cruz. But one way or another, a deal might be made. Or not. If Kasich just continues in the race and takes votes away from Cruz, it will assure Donald Trump's nomination. That might be Kasich's goal. We don't know. Thanks for watching.